Yes, Soro means Jagat, means the earth, and Ish means Ishwar. So Sorish means the Lord of the earth.
Oh. So what qualities do you have similar to that of the Lord of the Earth?
So no such qualities, but I try to be honest and good whenever possible.
And you something about Lakhimpur and the problem being faced in that part of the country.
So Lakhimpur basically, so there is only 2 or 3 schools and one big hospital. Basically the transportation is very good over there. The only thing is that development will come up when the Bogeyville bridge comes up, because the bridge is under construction for the last 10 years. So if that comes up, then the linking from the Dibrugarh side will be more proper, and as such communication will develop, and obviously there will lead to development of the place. Faction is still there, they are more pursuing, but the main motive of Alpha when it was founded, it was that to make Assam independent from all this for the Western countries, for the Western part of India. But now the many negative elements have come up which add up to these negative aspects, such as in one case there was a Dhemaji bomb blast serial killing, many people were killed, the Independence Day. But now it is almost curved up, sir, because the government has given many policies and they have almost surrendered. So actually, they run wine shops and all this, they become property dealers. Again, people
And they wield guns in open and no one can stop
they have
them.
guns in open, and they are permitted because one thing happens is that there is a constant fight between Alpha and Surrender Alpha.
Okay.
Because Surrender gives them the address of where hideouts and all this, and this leads to more clash with them.
Okay. There was some incident in Guwahati which shook the whole country. That rape and murder. What was the ultimate outcome of that case?
In front of the bar. So many people are standing spectators, they didn't do anything. So obviously the country, many bars were closed down in Guwahati. Even today, below 21 years of age people are not allowed to enter the bar. And plus many bars have been shut down. Because in many parts of India this case has been criticized because drinking and offending people and plus creating scenes and molesting girls is obviously a crime. As one more incident I would like to add. Last time when I was for the Air Force AFCAC, when I was coming back after being screened out, the person who was the main culprit behind this, he was sitting right behind the plane in the same flight. So he was taken. He was caught in Varanasi. So he was being taken back from Varanasi to Guwahati.
Jail for the.
The plane landed. 2 media persons came up, and then I understood he was the main person behind this. When I was a child, I liked flying. Means I liked to be a pilot. So almost if I get a chance to become an Indian Air Force, so I become a chance to fly.
Which plane?
If I get a chance to fly. So it is the Russian-made symbol. So I don't know the exact full form for that.
Okay, it's a Russian aircraft. What would be the speed of Sukhoi? The max speed that can be achieved.
So it has a supersonic speed I have heard, but I don't know idea.
What is supersonic speed?
It's more than a speed of sound.
How much is that?
So no idea, sir.
No idea.
But I read that when I was in child, but I don't follow, sir.
Speed of sound. You're a science, you're a technical graduate.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the speed of sound? That is the normal physics, is it?
So sound is much slower than what you say light.
Yeah.
But I think it's 2 into 10 to 8 meter per second.
How much?
2 into 10 to 8 meter per second.
200 per 8. Are you sure? We're just guessing.
Because light is 3 to 10 to the power 8. So I'm pretty much sure it's 2 into 10 to the power 8.
Okay. Sarish, tell me, every human being has certain strong points in his opinion. Are your assets? And what are the areas you want to improve further?
Sir, I feel, but when I do, I try to be more involved with them, and I'm trying to overcome this negativity. It's not negativity actually. I try to judge person before mixing up with them, and after I believe in them, I completely mix and involved with them. And when I mix them, I try to be friendly and good to them.
Enjoy your stay and everything over here. Okay. Thank you very much, and wish you all the very best for all into God of Sky.
Yes, sir.
So what are the similar things between you and the God of Sky? Anything in your quality which are similar to God of Sky?
Sir, I am a mean, so my nature is a very calm, and so also sky nature is very calm.
Okay. So behind your calmness, do you have any turmoil, or is it all calm and said also? Thing that you have done in your life so far. The thing which required the maximum courage till now.
Sir, once in a class 8, when I was in a class 8, then my teacher, he was my class teacher, he told me कि you have to organize a cricket match between the 2-3 schools. So sir, I have organized very good that time in a class 8, which was, I think that it was my very best time for me, what I have done.
Biggest achievement that you had till now. Okay, you belong to Sultanpur.
Yes sir.
So tell me something about Sultanpur.
In a Sultanpur area, near about 10 lakhs population is there. Most of people, near about 70 to 80% people are educated there, and every types of facilities there, as a medical facility is there, and it is situated near a Gomti river, and educational facilities is also good because 4 or 5 degree college and other colleges are also very good.
Why is it called Sultanpur? Any Sultan was there?
So I don't know, sir.
There must be some history behind this name. So how far is it from Faizabad?
Near also 60 kilometers.
So have you been to Faizabad and Ayodhya?
Yes, sir.
What happened? What has happened in the Ayodhya verdict case till now? What is the latest on that?
In present time, Supreme Court has also ordered that to maintain a status quo there. So everything is normal in present time, sir.
No, how is it that some verdict was given by the Allahabad High Court about 2 years back? What was that verdict and how did it transform that into Supreme Court, and why is Supreme Court not letting the decision be given now?
Sir, as a Allahabad High Court have decided that it should be divided in 3 parts. First one should be given to the Akhada, in Akhada, and one was Ram Hindu. Means एक part Muslim को दे दिया गया, एक part निर्मोही अखाड़ा and one other part to Hindu. So it is divided in a ratio of 2 and 1. But most of Muslims was not accepting this thing, but Hindus were accepting these matters. So they went there in a Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court had also ordered to maintain a status quo there.
Okay, so what is your opinion that whom the land should be given? Should it be given to the Muslims or should it be given to the Hindus?
Sir, as a Allahabad High Court decided, I think that is one of the best decisions, sir.
No, but you see, Nish, it is decision when it comes to court, it is either yes or no, either black or white, isn't it? The petition which was filed was that whom does the land belong to? Either Hindus or Muslims. But what they have done, they divided into 3 parts. It never happens. So what do you think? It should be given to Hindus or to Muslims?
To maintain a calm and pacify in our country, it should be a heritage place, and it should not be given to the Hindus or Muslims, anyone. Nobody.
Will any other country do the same thing? Suppose Hindus to Muslims not to get that land?
Situation of Pakistan is totally different from India. As
So
we
do you
have
think
seen.
we should remain secular and make some a common ground over there instead of having a temple when it is proved that Lord Rama was born over there? Why should we hurt the sentiments of Hindus?
No, sir, we can't comprise ourselves with Pakistan, because Pakistan is Pakistan is a totally different type country from India. India is a totally secular country, and Pakistan is a Muslim country. So it should not be matter for India especially.
So it should, in your opinion, we should make something which is of common interest to Hindus and Muslims.
Yes, sir.
But I'm sure somebody will listen to it. Okay, every human being has certain strong points and certain not so strong points in his personality. What, in your opinion, are your assets and what are the areas you want to improve further?
So in present time, I'm improving my English. My English was so good.